I'm not take off my duster yet. But I hope that show you stay up. And I pull my ear because some people are pretend like them filled with the Holy Ghost. But me filled with the Holy Ghost far more than in a liar and in a wicked. Yeah, the man upon YouTube and I speak properly, and I go on like him decent. People don't believe him. He's very convincing. And I'm not here on behalf of Spice, I'm here on behalf of myself. All these things you are saying and claiming that you're a man of God. First of all, you are not a real obeah man. You're a fraud and a scam. But me come to tell the world, say, you talking about you a man of God, you are wicked. And it's just a pity, as me say, me not come here for Spice, me come for myself. But it's just a pity that she trusts you and up into you because you did want up into me. You did all rent house where you and your people them gather at least once a year and you invite me up in the big house for offering offerings to God and I refuse to go, you dog shit. Don't think I forget you. That man who claimed to say my Spice obeah man is very envious of people in the industry. He's always about hype. He's not a good person. He's not a good soul. He's a thief and he's a liar. That man, I was in my bed one morning during the Gully Bop time and everybody was talking about Amari and the same thing Spice went through is the same thing I went through. There was a time when it was all about Amari, all over the internet. The only reason why them torn down is because me now make nobody eat for free while me and my pitney them go hungry. You understand? When me and Gully Bop break up, I'm up on the street, the whole bloggers them on YouTube get rich. And none of them never have no mercy upon me if they send me some of the money. All them do is put up my video every day. Well, during that time, that mother effer, that same one, Spice so-called obeah man, went to Jamaica. I was so shocked. He went to Jamaica, make this big raw circle in the earth, and put Venice Fong Chong. Do you know what it's like? Mother 13, when you see a man who claimed to be an obeah man, go to Jamaica, write my name in full, and the man go through the trouble to get a goat, my people, a goat and me don't butcher, me don't use certain words, butcher the goat over my name. Over my name in a Jamaica. Do you know how that feels? The man posts the video all over the internet. When me look, me see my name written on the ground. And the goat, it make him all make we witness him, I butcher the goat, and him butcher the goat and sprinkle the blood over my name. And call down destruction upon me and say what I got happen to me and how am I going to destroy me. So you're telling me that you are a man of God? Get the fuck out of here. Who you talking to? Who you trying to fool? Like I say, I'm not here on behalf of Spice right now. I'm here on behalf of myself. Because Spice should have known, say you mix with shit, you stink of shit. Spice should have been know that. You understand? And as much as Spice talk about she don't know me, better you didn't know me more than go mix with Cumbalo. You understand? Because I always wanted you to love me and I always wanted you to trust me. But you turn around and trust the wrong people. That's why you get F. But I still love you. And even in the midst of this conversation, I'm still looking out for you. Because you don't know how much this video gonna make a difference in your life. Because this man is so convincing and so lie. Let me tell you something. Seriously though, that girl, she don't need no effing, what you call con artist to bath her with milk to get a position on Love and Hip Hop. What the freak? I'm a spiritualist. I've been a spiritualist for over 28 years. But just drop that and come into music. You understand? When I came on the internet, I came on the internet as a spiritualist. You understand? But then me Amari need to do a song with him. And it's like, if me not bust him too, and if me not do a song with him too, no good conversation, no good bedwork, no nothing. And me have to be strong. I know, I said, this is my calling. This is not your calling. Me no know you as no DJ. And it's the same thing. With a certain amount of followers and you are advertising and everything, they turn around and match up the type of people that follow you, and those are the type of people they send out your advertisements to. And you know that most of these fake followers yeah. So what got her there? If to be on Love and Hip Hop, they're gonna look at your numbers. The first thing that got her there is Safari, because the fact that she was highly recommended by Safari, and then they're gonna do their research and realize that her numbers are up there, and her resume looks good. Why me I go ride you like donkey is, you know. Sometimes she work harder than ever because she knows that not all the time it'll go good. You don't think enough time she wake up out of her bed and she don't want to fly to this country or to that city, but she want a better life for them. You see, all the people with the dirty heart them, especially during COVID-19, woe be unto you. I will not in real life tear down a pioneer and a trying woman and a mother of children. I know there have been times when I call out to Spice and I say, Spice, help me. Just go on the internet and ask the people them to leave me alone. And maybe she go through these things to understand what it is I was trying to say to her. And file a lawsuit against this culprit so that he may cease and desist immediately. Unless you want the clout. Because I don't see no celebrity make people call up them name like that and not do something about it. Do something about it. Because you may not realizing, but you're going down by the day. Every day there's a word for it in the industry where you destroy someone by destroying their reputation and bringing them right down. You get what I'm saying? So somebody, how can stop you? One thing I learned in the industry, when you leave them alone, they eventually have to stop talking. But how long? How long will this carry on? Spice, I L-O-V-E, love you. No, not my S-O-B. Far from them. And the thing about it too, Spice, I realized you didn't go to this man as no obeah man, as somebody where you know a long time. So him same turn obeah man in the year 2000, somewhere there. So while you know him got turn obeah man. So what?